actually transdermal therapy more than it is an actual lotion, as it penetrates the skin very deeply and offers most people relief from minor discomfort within a very short amount of time. The Be Your Best community is committed to providing its associates best-in-class products, services, and programs. One of those products just happens to be AlphaFlex. And AlphaFlex is a highly potent anti-inflammatory product with omega-5E.
Take charge of your life and join this new generation of athletes. Lead the way to optimum levels of muscle and joint health and flexibility with AlphaFlex. AlphaFlex with omega-5E, the new definition of flexibility.
By introducing AlphaFlex to the Be Your Best community, we are helping our community fight the insidious nature of silent inflammation. A lot of what's going on right now as far as the basis of chronic disease begins in what the physicians in this country are calling silent inflammation. It's when your pro-inflammatory fatty acids are actually in higher proportions than your anti-inflammatory fatty acids. And as a result of that, you wind up feeling less than optimal. You might start out with little aches and creaks. You might feel tired. You may have a little bit more extra padding in your midsection. You may just not have your get up and go. And in essence, you could be suffering from what is called silent inflammation. Now, there's some fatty acids, like an omega-6, that is a pro-inflammatory fatty acid. Now, pro-inflammatory fatty acid does not necessarily mean it's bad, but if it's not in the right proportion to an anti-inflammatory fatty acid, such as an omega-3 or an omega-5, then you have a situation where you are more constantly inflamed than you are neutralized. As an associate in the Be Your Best community, one of the opportunities you have is to share with others how to stay fired up and not burned out. AlphaFlex can be substituted for the use of NSAIDs as a natural anti-inflammatory with no toxic side effects. This is not smoke and mirrors, guys. AlphaFlex is truly a product that works as well to combat the insidious nature of silent inflammation as other commercially available anti-inflammatories. Now, what I'd like to do right now is to share with you the forms in which AlphaFlex comes in. There is a 2.5-ounce lotion that is available. It's great for travel. You can put it in your purse or your briefcase, especially if you're flying on airplanes, because it's under the 3-ounce limit. Easy to apply. You need only, no more than a dime in your hand in an area that might be causing you some discomfort. In addition to that, there are also what we call these convenience packets. The convenience packets enable you to share the benefits of AlphaFlex with minimal risk. They retail for $2 and they are available to our associates at a discounted price. And you can then share with others the effects of a potent anti-inflammatory lotion by giving them one of them and having them try it. The other opportunity for our associates is a 5-ounce AlphaFlex lotion. The 5 ounces you can keep in your bathroom or your kitchen or your workbench or your golf bag, someplace that you want to be able to have access to this lotion all the time. Now, one of the things that you want to do is if you are having it in your golf bag and you're playing golf in an area that's extraordinarily warm, then I would say in order to maintain the efficacy of the product over a period of time, throw a couple of convenience packets in your bag instead. Okay? Now, the other opportunity that we have with AlphaFlex is a 90-pound capsule bottle. The 90-pound caps are gel capsules. They have the ability to bypass the digestive enzymes in the stomach and are assimilated to the small intestine. Most people who start out using our transdermal topical lotion switch over to the gel capsules when they have found that it gives them relief. And again, this doesn't get absorbed in the belly, it actually gets absorbed in the small intestine, and it doesn't give anyone any negative side effects. Now you may ask, well, why does the Be Your Best AlphaFlex. AlphaFlex is the first product of many that will be available to the associates in the Be Your Best community that they can substitute for the things that they're currently utilizing in their life. Be Your Best is all about teaching personal care leadership. It's offering our associates the opportunity to be exposed to product, services, and programs that they can easily substitute for the things that they're currently using today. Well, we know that at Be Your Best, when we are successful in translating leadership language, people are going to be gravitating towards those product, services, and programs that are truly best in class. By enabling AlphaFlex to be a part of the Be Your Best community, we are offering a natural anti-inflammatory substitute for those things that you might be taking right now to combat the insidious nature of bowel inflammation. For instance, if you're taking a commercially available anti-inflammatory, AlphaFlex would be a fabulous natural alternative. As you grow in the Be Your Best community, you will have the opportunity to be exposed to a lot more product, services, and programs, and we welcome your recommendation of those products that you think you would like to have in your community. AlphaFlex is our first.